Also, my car was rough idling, and because I had to take off my car was rough idling, and I did a smoke test. You obviously got a new valve cover gasket. I did a smoke test. I couldn't find any smoke leaking from anywhere. But when I went to remove the fan, I noticed that the lower charge pipe was a little loose, and what I found was when I took this charge, so I took this charge pipe off. But what I found, I cleaned it up already. What I found was that this plastic piece right here, it locks in that metal brace. And this plastic piece was outside. It was loose. I actually clipped it back in. I thought I was gonna have to buy a new one. I was able to clip it back in and set the metal ring back into place. And I think this, because it was loose and it was bringing in unmetered air, which was causing my car to do a whole bunch of things. I thought it was my throttle body. The sensor on the throttle body. I thought that was bad. I replaced it. I replaced all these little mass airflow sensors. I think there's one back there that I replaced as well. And to come to find out that this right here was my culprit. So if you are having a problem and you cannot find it, be sure to check down. It goes right down here at the bottom. I'm gonna show you. You can kind of see there's the hole right there. That's where this hose go, and this right here comes out to the top here, which is where your charge pipe goes that connects to your throttle body. And that's where I was getting air in to my system unmetered, and I think it was because of this and this right here. So if that is an issue, if this right here is popped off and this brace isn't really locking in around that pipe down there, you're getting unmetered air, and that is going to give you a rough idle. Yeah, so chance to fix that issue. That's gonna it's gonna make it nice and smooth and quiet again. Yeah, and then the alternator is gonna be fixed. Next thing I want to do is I replaced my air strut a while back, and was never able to get it coded. I got a new computer that can code, so I did find out that it's not communicating because it's not sending the signal. So I'm gonna do some investigation on if the diodes are bad in the control module. These F10s don't have an ECU control module like some of the other ones do. This one actually has control modules on each air strut, so they go out individually, and when one goes out, it'll make the whole system say, hey, I can't calibrate, I can't roll, yaw, and pitch and all that. So it cuts off everything. And so I'm gonna try to see if either I can bypass that or fix that one, and if I need to buy another one and replace it, I'll do that too. But yo, putting this back together, let's go.